everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and today I'm going shopping with my mom. Mommy, say hello. Hi. So that's my mom. Isn't she like super pretty? So now we are actually going to Bandra today, and why we're going today is because Jaypore.com has its open house today in Mumbai. It is super exciting for me because I love stuff from Jaypore. That's like so my kind. It's all handmade. It's all very rustic and very raw and sustainable. So yeah, I'm very excited about it, and my mom wants to shop quite a bit. That's what she said. And this is my outfit for today. It's an Ikat maxi dress which I designed myself, and I'm super proud of it. I don't know if you guys like it or not, but just say that you like it. So I feel good about it. And this necklace, it's a fabric necklace with glass work. It is from this store called Heirloom, which is in Bandra as well. You should check it out. It has some really cool and quirky stuff. So we are now here at the Peace Heaven Bungalow in Bandra West. So this is all my mom's shopping, and this is something little for me. It's a sari. You guys know my love for saris, so obviously I had to get one when you see such beautiful stuff. Today I am headed for the LLW, which is the Luxury and Lifestyle Weekend, which is happening in Mumbai for the first time at BKC in Jio Gardens. So this is what I'm wearing today, and all the details of my outfit are down in the description, so you can go check that out. Okay, so I'm now on my way to BKC and my mom's here with me. So guys, just reached the venue at the Luxury Lifestyle Weekend. Yeah, did I say that a little funny? Trying, mummy. Oh, my mom's trying these beautiful earrings at Isharya. Which are 125 years old. They've been redesigned and converted into a earring, and these bangles are actually intact, so they can be dismantled and be reused as bangles as well. So did you guys see that earring? It was like the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen in terms of jewelry, I think, in my entire life. And believe me, I've seen a lot of jewelry. You guys would know that better than anybody else. It was so amazing. It was for 8.5 lakhs. very nice time at LLW, and my mom had a great time shopping, huh, mummy?
Yes.
So now we're on our way back, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and keep coming back. Thank you. Mwah.